गुड मॉर्निंग। जैसा कि प्रीवियस क्लास में हमने ए सिल्वर्टी कप पढ़ा था। नाउ टुडे वी विल डिस्कस इफ cos x is equal to -3/5 and x lies in the third quadrant, then we have to find the values of other 5 trigonometric function. In previous class in 10th we have studied the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and second one is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and third one is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Now question is given in the form of cos, so we will use this formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. If question is given in form of tan, then we will use 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So we will solve. First of all, we know that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Then sin square x plus, by putting the value of cos x is equal to -3/5, then we will get -3/5 whole square is equal to 1. Next, sin square x minus 3/5 square we will open, then we will get 9/25 is equal to 1. By transposing, we will get sin square x is equal to 1 minus 9/25. By taking LCM, we will get 25 is the LCM in numerator, 25 minus 9, then sin square x is equal to 16/25. Therefore, the value of sin x is plus minus 4/5. At this step, the value of sin x is 4/5 and minus 4/5. Now we have to clear that which value is valid and which value is not valid. In question, x lies in the third quadrant, and in previous class we have discussed first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant, A, S, T, C. In third quadrant, only tan theta and cot theta is positive and other trigonometrical ratios is negative. So here x lies in the third quadrant, so sin x is negative in third quadrant. So we will write, since x lies in third quadrant, then the value of sin x will be negative. So valid value is sin x is equal to -4/5. Is that clear? And the reciprocal of sin x is cosec x. Therefore, cosec x is equal to minus 5 upon 4. Since in question cos x is given, cos x is equal to minus 3 upon 5 and the reciprocal of cos x is sec x. Therefore, the value of sec x is minus 5 upon 3. Now we have to find the value of remaining two trigonometrical ratios. We know that tan x is equal to sin x upon cos x by putting the values of sin x and cos x, this one and this one. So tan x is equal to, the value of sin x is minus 4 upon 5 and the value of cos x is minus 3 upon 5. By solving, minus 5 remaining is 4 upon 3. So we will get the value of tan x is 4 upon 3 and the reciprocal of tan x is cot x. So the value of cot x is equal to 3 by 4. In question, cos x is equal to minus 3 upon 5. X lies in the third quadrant and we have to find the values of other 5 trigonometric function. One trigonometrical function is given and we have to find other 5 trigonometric function. That is remaining is sin, cos is given, we have to find the value of tan x, we have to find the value of cosec x, sec x and cot x, remaining 5 trigonometrical ratio. So we have already find sin x, cosec x and cos x is given, sec x and tan x and remaining cot x. Is that clear? Now we will discuss second question. Cot x is equal to 3 by 4. X lies in the third quadrant and we have to find the values of other 5 trigonometric function. So we know that 1 plus cot square x is equal to cosec square x. Here question is given in the form of cot x, so we will use this formula. If question is given in the form of tan, then we will use 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. And if question is given in the form of sine, then we will use sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Is that clear? So we will discuss this question. Cot x is equal to 3 by 4. By putting the value of cot x in this equation, we will get 1 plus 3 by 4 square is equal to cosec square x. So we get 1 plus 3 by 4 square, open the square, we will get 9 upon 16 is equal to cosec square x. By taking the LCM, here 16 is the LCM, we will get 16 plus 9 in numerator is equal to cosec square x. 16 plus 9 equal to 25 upon 16 is equal to cosec square x. Therefore, the value of cosec x is equal to plus minus 5 upon 4. Here, the value of cosec is 2 plus 5 upon 4 and minus 5 upon 4. Now we will check which value is valid and which value is not valid. In question, we will see x lies in the third quadrant, and in third quadrant the value of cosec x is, say, positive or negative? Negative. So we will write, since x lies in third quadrant, then the value of cosec x will be negative. Therefore, the valid value of cosec x is minus 5 upon 4. And the reciprocal of cosec x is minus 4 upon 5. So, the value of sin x is minus 4 upon 5. Is that clear? In question, cot x is given. Cot x is given and the reciprocal of cot x is tan x. So, the value of tan x is 4 by 3. Okay? Now, again, we know that tan x is equal to sin x upon cos x. By cross multiply, we will get the value of cos x is sin x upon tan x. Is that clear? Tan x is equal to sin upon x. By cross multiply, we will get cos x is equal to sin x upon tan x. Then we will put the value of sin x and tan x. Cos x is equal to minus 4 upon 5, tan x 4 by 3. So, cos x is equal to minus 4 upon 5 into 3 by 4. After cancelling 4, we will get cos x is equal to minus 3 upon 5. And the reciprocal of cos x is sec x, which is equal to minus 5 upon 3. Is that clear? Okay. Now, for practice, you will try these two questions. In first question, sin x is equal to 3 by 5. X lies in second quadrant and you will find other 5 trigonometric function. And same thing is in second question. Sec x is equal to 13 upon 5. X lies in fourth quadrant and you will find other 5 trigonometric function. Is that clear? Okay. All the best.